Good day everyone, I am Shelo Anchila Marihuan, and today I will be discussing the one of the five traits of technical writing, which is accuracy. So the first four traits of technical writing were already discussed, and I hope that you have learned something from them, and I also hope that you will be learning from my discussion today. So let's start. Now, what is accuracy in technical writing? So, accuracy in technical writing means that all information presented is correct, precise, and reliable. It focuses on providing exact facts, correct data, proper terminology, and error-free details. So, accuracy ensures that technical documents communicate information without mistakes or misleading details. So this includes correct numerical values, accurate instructions, appropriate technical terms, and proper grammar and spelling. Because even small errors such as wrong unit of measurement or misspelled terms can lead to misunderstanding or incorrect actions. Therefore, technical writers must verify facts, use credible sources, and also review their work to maintain accuracy. So let's have an examples here. So I have two examples here. So let's have the first one. So in a laboratory report, writing the solution was heated to 100 degrees Celsius instead of about 100 degrees Celsius ensures precision and avoid confusion in repeating the experiment. So do you agree with that? Yes, so it is correct, no? That instead of using the phrase about 100 degrees Celsius, let us just use the phrase the solution was heated to 100 degrees Celsius because it is more specific and it's not confusing at all compared to the phrase about 100 degrees Celsius because the phrase about 100 degrees Celsius is too broad and it can lead to unsuccessful product, right? Yes. So for the second example, in a user manual stating press the power button for 3 seconds is more accurate than press the button for a while. So do you also agree with that? Yes, no? So it's correct because stating press the power button for 3 seconds is more accurate than press the button for a while because the phrase 3 seconds is more specific and accurate compared to for a while. So do you understand that? Now let's have why is accuracy important in technical writing? So accuracy in technical writing is important because technical writing is often used to guide actions, make decisions, or ensure safety. So if the information in technical writing is in, inaccurate, it may lead to errors, accidents, or wasted time and resources. Therefore, technical writing must be accurate. So, how can we know that the technical writing is accurate? So, we can know if the technical writing is accurate if or when the information is supported by reliable sources, facts are verified, and technical terms are used correctly. So, it means no that a writing is accurate if it has no contradictions, it uses precise measurement, and is free from spelling or grammatical errors. So careful proofreading, fact checking, or peer review can ensure accuracy. So I have here some 5 proofreading techniques that you can ascertain to ensure that your writing is accurate. So the first proofreading techniques is use your computer's spell check Remember, however, that a spell check will not catch from if you mean form, to if you mean to, or accept if you mean accept. So this means that it is important to use computer spell check because it can help to catch basic spelling error. However, you still need to check the word meanings yourself because just like what the definition state here, that a computer spell check cannot catch from if you mean form, to if you mean to, or accept if you mean accept. Therefore, as much as it is important to use computer spell check, you should also check it yourself to avoid these errors. Okay? So the second one is let it sit for days or weeks. When your document is icy, you are more objective about your own writing. So this means that taking a break before proofreading can help you to see mistakes more clearly. So the third one is use peer evaluations. Others will see the errors you missed. So this means that peer evaluations is advisable because others can notice errors or unclear ideas you may overlook. So the fourth technique is read it aloud. Sometimes you can hear errors. So this means that hearing your text helps you catch awkward wording and grammar mistakes. So the last one or the last proofreading techniques is read it backwards. Then you read words out of context. You cannot anticipate the next word. So this means that reading from the last word to the first will help you focus on errors without context bias. So I think that ends my discussion for accuracy. Let's now have the conclusion. So for conclusion, in conclusion, accuracy is a vital trait of technical writing because it ensures that information is correct, precise, and reliable. So accurate technical writing helps readers understand instructions clearly, make sound decisions, and perform tasks safely and effectively. So by using verified facts, proper terminology, and careful proofreading, writers can avoid errors and misunderstandings. So overall, accuracy builds trust and credibility, making technical documents dependable and useful for their intended audience. So I think this is the last part. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and I hope that you have gained knowledge from my discussion today. So see you next time. Bye.